Let's take a look at how to split cells diagonally in Excel. Now, the reason you want to do this is because you want to have your column and row headers in the same cell, which is granted a little odd, but some people like it, so here's how it's done. You want to start off by doing something a little unorthodox, which is typing out a few blank spaces in your cell. Now, as you press your space bar, the further to the right of the cell you get, the better off you're going to be. The first word you type is going to be for your row headings. The second word you type is going to be for your column headings. But before you type your column heading, what you want to do is press Alt-Enter. Pressing Alt-Enter will give you a line break within your cell, and you'll see how we leverage that line break here in a few seconds. After you're done typing your text, the next thing you want to do is format your cell. So let's go up to our Home tab, look for the word Alignment, and then click the arrow right here to open our Format Cells dialog box, and then you want to jump to the Borders tab. After you get to the Borders tab, you want to click on this diagonal icon. Go ahead and OK that, and you're all set. Now, granted, you may need to adjust the spacing a little bit, but for the most part, that's how you split your cell diagonally in Excel. Thank you so much for watching, and now here's another video.